To make sure that you guys, obviously you guys can open carry, but you cannot have any ammunition in your rifles.
Okay.
Okay, you have ammunition on rifles? You were explained this by Sergeant Mullins this morning on the phone. Do we have ammunition on rifles?
Let me ask you something. Does the Second Amendment protect the right to carry an unloaded gun?
Did our sergeant instruct you this morning on the protocol for today?
Does the Second Amendment trump what your sergeant says?
Okay, so here's the thing. He explained to you, right, today, what he was asking of you? Right? You have the right to bear arms, right? Your handgun and whatnot.
The right to bear arms
Correct.
Unloaded? Are you kidding? 232 years of this. No, no more. Okay? No.
Do you have ID on you?
Not today.
Do you have ID on you?
Not today.
You don't have ID on you today.
I'm saying leave us alone, please.
Do you have ID on you?
Look, our rights are not negotiable. You took an oath, and we expect you to uphold it.
Thank you.
Really, do you like to sit on the street on a peaceful day like this?
You know, we as long as they're unloaded.
With your handguns, they are allowed to be loaded, but with long
Do you think the
guns,
Second Amendment applies to pistols only?
with long guns in the state of Tennessee, they are not allowed.
Do you think the Second Amendment applies to pistols
long
only?
guns in the state of Tennessee?
Are you
unless
familiar with
are
Bruin?
hunting.
Bruin versus
Unless you are hunting, you cannot have
Okay.
a loaded rifle.
the Bruin Supreme Court decision.
Okay, I'm letting you know Tennessee law.
Okay. The Supreme Court trumps that. The Second Amendment trumps that. Okay. 232 years of Second Amendment.
Actually, a friend.
I'm just going to get out of people's way here.
All right, guys, listen up. It starts with confusion and misinformation. Officers step in claiming open carry is allowed, but ammunition and rifles is suddenly the issue. Questions spiral fast. Unloaded firearms, Second Amendment limits, and instructions supposedly coming from a sergeant. Citizens push back hard, challenging the idea that a constitutional right can be downgraded by internal protocol. This moment exposes the first crack. Authority speaking louder than law.
I understand.
They're going to call, right?
Yeah, yeah. This isn't my first time here.
I'm letting you know what Tennessee law says. You are not allowed to have a long gun that is loaded unless it's for the purpose of hunting or something of that matter. Handguns, perfectly fine to be loaded carrying on your person. But long guns, you can't have it.
Okay, so
Tennessee law says you can't have it loaded. Okay?
But it's lawful to carry.
Lawful to carry, lawful to have it, you just cannot have it loaded. That's
all right. So
Tennessee, we're Tennessee law officers.
the Second Amendment, which you swore an oath to protect and uphold, trumps Tennessee law. A law that is repugnant to the Constitution is null and void. The Supreme Court has ruled on it in Heller, McDonald, and now Bruin. That's 3 Supreme Court decisions. We don't even need the Supreme Court. We all know what the Second Amendment means. You know what it means. It doesn't mean unloaded guns. It doesn't mean pistols. Not many people had pistols back then. They were very expensive. Everybody had long guns. The purpose of the Second Amendment is to be able to fight for your freedom in case the government goes bad. You guys of the government don't go bad. Okay?
I'm
Protect.
not here to talk about the limitations of the Second Amendment or the dichotomy of that, what happened back then versus what we have now.
Pay attention here, because this is where ignorance shows. Officers insist Tennessee law restricts loaded long guns, while citizens fire back with Supreme Court rulings, Heller, McDonald, and Bruin. The argument is clear. The Constitution trumps state law. Officers try to narrow the Second Amendment to pistols only, an argument that collapses under basic historical facts. This is an education. It's resistance to reality.
It didn't change. Second Amendment. Second Amendment didn't change. People died. Hey, this is Memorial Day. People died for these rights. Okay. They just got to get used to it. Freedom is scary. They got to deal with it.
to have long guns. We're saying it's fine for you guys to be out here with your long guns. They cannot be loaded though.
Okay.
Nobody was saying that it was. Nobody was having any fear of that. We're out here just educating people. We're not posing.
Let me ask you this: are we being detained right now?
We're speaking with you.
Are we being detained?
As of right now,
Am I detained? Okay. Hey guys, Hey guys, we're not being detained, so let's just go. You guys want to go? Let's go to the courthouse. We'll go to the courthouse. You guys are welcome to join us.
It's amazing how we still have cops who don't know our basic rights. And now, watch how this female officer is willing to say anything just to enforce her ego.
Andrew Nelson, common spelling.
I know Officer Russo.
Perfect. He's retired.
Yeah. I mean,
I asked you why you pulled me over.
You were doing a 40 and a 30.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
Oh, so I got my body cam that goes back 30 seconds.
Your body cam, is it calibrated properly?
My body cam?
Yes. When was it calibrated?
It was actually calibrated a few days ago.
Okay, great.
All right, guys, the tension spikes. Officers claim people are scared, while citizens calmly remind them that freedom isn't supposed to be comfortable. Long guns are lawful. No detention is declared. No crime is identified. Once that's clear, the group walks away, because without lawful detention, officers have no authority. This moment matters. It shows how simply asking, am I detained, dismantles unlawful encounters instantly.
So this is your registration and your insurance? It's both? Is that what it is?
I gave you my registration, my license.
Okay. So I need your insurance as well.
You can find that with your database. Thank
No,
you.
you're required to carry...
I'm not required to carry my insurance. No, thank you.
In the state of
Ma'am,
Connecticut, you're
ma'am,
required to carry it. If you don't
I'm a
listen, you
Massachusetts
don't have
driver. I do
insurance.
not have to provide
You
my
do.
insurance to you.
So the fine for not having insurance...
Then
is
find me, write my
$500.
ticket, thank you, and I'll be on my way. Thank you.
Okay, so you're saying you don't have insurance?
Did I say that?
You don't have insurance.
Or are you assuming?
Do you have proof of insurance?
No.
The proof is on you to provide it.
The proof is right there when you look up myself on my data on your database. Ma'am, you're harassing me.
Am I harassing you? Or
Yes, yes, you are. I asked you why you pulled me over. It took you 5 times to answer me.
Right.
I was doing 40 and a 30, and you found it on your body cam.
Well, it's actually synced to my.
You were tailing me, and I was following the traffic.
We were just following other cars.
Ma'am,
you should have stopped.
Ma'am, issue me a ticket for speeding.
I just got out of an hospital for a double bypass on my heart.
Oh, wow.
We stopped at CVS, yes, to get medicine. We pull out of the parking lot.
What's your name and badge number?
You turn around and you start following.
What is your name and badge number?
I mean, we didn't do anything.
Are you refusing to ID,
can we
ma'am?
please go home. I live in Litchfield.
What is your name and badge number?
He's my
It's on
stepson.
my uniform.
What is your name and badge number? You're
No,
required to tell me.
Listen,
Yes, you are.
Andrew,
What if I have a reading issue?
Andrew.
I'll get you.
Your name and badge number,
Andrew,
please.
Andrew.
Are you refusing to ID as a police officer?
Andrew, you gotta stop.
Name and badge number.
You gotta
Name
stop.
and badge number.
So I'll be right back with your stuff.
Name
All
and
right?
badge
Just
number.
hang on. Hang
Name
tight
and
for me,
badge
okay?
number.
Yeah. So.
How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
Sergeant McAlpin,
McAlpin.
State Police Troop L.
Thank you.
How you doing today?
Thank you for
All right.
identifying. How
Yep.
are you?
How are you?
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm just curious why we're pulled over.
You were being pulled over for reckless driving, passing cars, and when driving erratically.
That's not what that officer told us.
When?
We pulled out of.
We just put the CVS.
Now the scene flips, traffic stop, ego engaged. A female officer claims speeding, then body cam evidence, then changes the story again. ID questions, insurance demands, contradictions pile up fast. The driver pushes back hard, demanding facts, calibration proof, and accountability. The officer's story keeps shifting, which raises the real issue. If the stop itself is shaky, everything after becomes unlawful.
Reckless driving.
That's not
Oh,
what
no,
you said,
no,
man. That's not what you said.
Just say
You
what
said
you said.
speeding.
Yeah.
Sorry, you wouldn't. That's why I pulled you over was for the speeding.
Oh, and now it's reckless driving, and now I gotta go with him then. I'm from Litchfield,
Okay.
and I was telling him,
Yep.
let's be nice. Let me finish. Let's be nice
One
with these
person
guys.
talk at a time.
I am
Excuse me. No, we can talk whenever we
No,
want.
we'll
Okay,
talk
I
when
was
it's
telling,
out, okay?
let's be nice
Yep.
because I live in Litchfield.
Okay.
And now you come here
Yep.
with this story of reckless driving, and now I'm not gonna go for it. So what is the next
Your
step?
vehicle was spotted
What
recklessly
did-
driving in the town of Litchfield. That's why you were stopped.
What?
Yes.
What did you say?
By who? Did somebody report
Yes,
reckless
a
driving?
reporter called 911. Yes.
What's the name of
Where?
that?
You don't have to have a name.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. No, you
So,
don't.
so you should talk to them.
We are talking to them right now, as we speak. Okay?
Our vehicle
okay.
was
Yeah.
spotted where?
Yeah.
Reckless driving.
Reckless driving. Yes.
Where?
In the
We
town of
haven't been in
202.
Litchfield. We came from Farmington.
Okay.
We came from the hospital. He just had a
Hospital.
stent put into
We went to
his
CVS.
heart.
They closed at 6 o'clock.
You might have the
we
wrong
pulled out
vehicle.
of CVS. She pulled in, and we just were deciding to go to the pizza place or go home.
Okay.
What reckless are you talking about? So you know what? Take us to jail.
I'm not taking anybody to jail right now.
And now this got a shit because I just got out of the freaking hospital.
Calm down.
With the double
Calm down.
bypass.
Calm down,
That's fine,
please.
sir. That's fine.
We're
okay?
picking up his
All right?
medication
Okay.
from CVS.
Okay.
There was no reckless driving. We weren't in the town of Litchfield.
We were talking
traveled
about the
up
pizza,
Route
not pizza.
202.
Okay.
So that's a mistake.
Okay.
So you talked to that party that called you.
Okay.
Now, that lady said she pulled me over
Yep.
for speeding, which is impossible because I was behind vehicles traveling from CVS up this street. So now,
How fast were you
May-
traveling, sir?
I don't know. I was traveling with the flow of traffic.
Well-
She was on my ass.
She was.
How fast was she traveling?
She was tailing you to see if you were
Tailing me?
driving. Yes.
Okay, she said she recorded my speed on her body cam.
Show us,
I have it
show
on
us
video.
the video
I
that-
have it
Show
on
us
video.
the video that reckless
So
driving.
I'd like to
And
be
take
on my...
Listen carefully. This is textbook damage control. A sergeant arrives and rewrites the justification. Now it's reckless driving, reported by an anonymous caller. Problem is, the timeline doesn't match, locations don't match, and the explanation keeps changing. The driver dismantles it calmly, explaining medical emergencies, CVS stops, and traffic flow. No reckless behavior exists, just excuses scrambling to survive the recording.
I'd like to be on my way.
Get in the car right now. Hey.
All right, do it.
I'd like to be on my way.
Don't have insurance? No on the insurance? Yes or no? So it's up to you to provide proof. And here's the deal. So here in Connecticut, we tow for no insurance and we write tickets for no insurance. So if you have it, you have it. Wonderful. If not, you're kind of tying my hands here. I'm giving you the option.
Yeah, I don't have proof of insurance. We're not required to carry it, and we can travel through states without carrying it.
Okay. So
Can you state the law that says I need proof of insurance?
It'll be on your infraction. Okay.
Sure.
So no insurance.
No, I didn't say no insurance. I said I don't have to provide it.
Do you have a fucking insurance?
Of course.
Why don't you give it to them?
It's just they don't
If
give
they
me pieces
tow
of
your
paper.
fucking car, what are you gonna do? Sue them?
Which is my right.
Get out of here.
Which is my right
For this,
for.
I've got
What
the
is the
license,
infraction
registration
for?
here in the
She's
envelope
explaining
for
it to you, sir.
She's not explaining it. She's telling me the directions about how to fill the citation. I asked her what the infraction was
I explained
for.
to you before I walked back there. So failure to carry
You-
insurance, failure to carry your
Failure to carry
and for
insurance.
speeding.
Okay, okay. I'll see you in court.
There's that. Just
Thank you.
check before we pull back in, okay? People are-
I don't need your directives.
All right,
Have a nice
okay,
day.
thanks.
Thank you.
All right.
Nice day.
It was a
Okay,
mistake.
have a good day.
I didn't tell. It was a mistake.
Okay. Well, the call came to the barracks for an erratic driving. Okay, that's what we had.
But she could have. Was
That-
unnecessary.
she lied.
No,
She
hold on.
told me
But
she
you
pulled
gotta
me
shut
over
up for a
for
second.
Let me talk to
You
you.
got to believe me. We was in town. This was so unnecessary.
All right, guys, here's the ending. Paperwork over truth. Insurance becomes a fallback excuse. The driver never says he lacks insurance, only that he isn't required to carry proof. Officers push anyway, writing a citation they can't clearly justify. Everyone admits it was unnecessary. That's the takeaway. No crime, no danger, just authority misused, rights pressured, and accountability forced only because cameras were rolling.